This is going to be a happy Saturday because we've got some fabrics that are just wonderful, and they're all $8.99. So the reason they're $8.99 is there's little bits and pieces. They've done really well at the store, and I wanted to group them together. They're beautiful greens, and what we know about greens is that they're really popular. So I'm going to call them transitional, but will take you well into spring. Because of the colors, and because, like, for instance, this is 100% viscose, but it's a knit. It looks like a woven, but it's a knit and has stretch in both directions. So from Italy, beautiful piece of fabric, beautiful drape. Let me get some more out here. You can just see it's just a great piece, and it pairs really well with this. It looks like linen. It's not. It's 100% cotton, just to make sure. Yeah, it's 100% cotton. No stretch. So that's that beautiful army green. It just blends with a lot for spring, and yet works well now. The cargo pant, little jacket, it does really well. And this also blends. And this is 100% cotton, stretch in both directions. Again, great drape. Looks like a woven, but it's a print. I mean, it's a knit. It's lovely. Just great hand, great drape, everything. This is a woven, a stretch woven, I should say. Nope, it's just a woven, 100%. Gotta check my tags, you guys. I keep forgetting. 100% cotton. See, great print. Great little jacket would be adorable out of that. And then this is a stretch woven, and it's 100% cotton. I stretch in one direction, but look at the deep. It's just a beautiful color, and it actually goes across the board. It really blends. A lot of these greens will blend together. This is a knit. Has stretch in both directions. 100% viscose on that. Again, from Italy. So just a beautiful knit, great drape. Again, $8.99. There's not a lot. The quantities are low, so I apologize for that. But you can still have happy sewing. Just get in quick.